How to set up a cPanel email account with Outlook 2019. This tutorial assumes that you already have a cPanel email account. Go and click the icon of Outlook to open it. Click File and then inside Info, click the Add Account button. Now enter your cPanel email address and then click the Connect button. Here you can select IMAP or POP3 connection type for the configuration of your email account. You can configure it as a POP3 or IMAP only if your email account supports that particular connection type. To select IMAP, click IMAP. Enter your incoming mail server address and the IMAP port number. Open the drop-down list and select the appropriate encryption method. For non-SSL encryption, port numbers are different. Click to check the box for secure password authentication. Enter your outgoing mail server address and the SMTP port number. Open the drop-down list and select the appropriate encryption method. Then check the box for secure password authentication. Now click the Next button. Here, enter the password of your email account and click the Connect button. The account is added. Now click the Done button. You can access and manage your mail account from here. Thank you for watching.